Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamie Oliver's easy hummus. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 400-gram tin of chickpeas, a small garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of tahini, and 1 fresh lemon. Don't forget your extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of sea salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. This recipe is quick and uses minimal ingredients for maximum taste. Now, let's get blending. Start by draining and rinsing your chickpeas thoroughly, then tip them into your food processor. Next, peel and add the small garlic clove, along with 1 tablespoon of tahini, a good squeeze of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Season with a pinch of sea salt, then pop on the lid and blitz until the mixture is smooth. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the food processor bowl. Then, blitz the hummus again until it's wonderfully smooth. Now for the important part, taste it. You can add more lemon juice for extra zing or a splash of water to loosen the consistency. Don't hesitate to adjust the sea salt to your liking for the best flavor. Your delicious homemade hummus is almost ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl. For a beautiful finish, drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika or chopped parsley. This hummus is fantastic served with crunchy vegetable sticks, warm flatbreads, or even some crispy breadsticks. Enjoy your fresh, homemade snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.